Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
We have our COVID death audit meeting with all the experts of specialty and super specialty. Now, during this Monday's COVID death audit meeting, we had discussed about the fourth wave. Now, this fourth wave has been predicted by IIT Kanpur, and their earlier predictions of third and second wave were quite correct. So, the committee said that the possibility of the fourth wave cannot be ruled out totally. But what is at our advantage is that again we would like to stress that people should take vaccine so that they get protection. Secondly, the kind of a virus that we are seeing now, because in third wave also Goa had 90% Omicron virus. So this virus somehow has got less effect on the fatality. So we feel that in fourth wave there won't be many casualties and it will be like kind of a mild wave.
ओके कोविड डेथ्स फाटल्या दिसान त्याचे ऑडिट म्हणजे आनी कितें जाल्लें अशें
Most of the time, most of the deaths which occurred in third wave, they were not primarily because of COVID pneumonia. They were called as incidental deaths because the Omicron has got, tremendous infectivity. So it is to infect any sick person, even the person who had a cancer and who was in terminally ill stage or terminal stage has died of terminal cancer. But since his test was positive, we called it as a COVID death because that is as per ICMR guidelines.